Hey, this. My son got 100 on his school test.
All
Hey,
right.
my kid got 100 on his exam.
Then he cheated. Look at the ink here. He got a 0 and changed it to 100. He's lying.
You cheated, Dickie. You got a 0 and you changed it to 100.
Why are you taking my stuff away?
Why? Because I'm your father, and I can.
Just leave me alone forever!
Fine. If you get a score over 60 using the brains in your own head, then I will leave you alone.
It's a deal.
It's a deal.
Your hand! No!